Hey guys, it's Mary. I finally received my October kit from Simon Says Stamp. And this kit came out, I don't know, 3 weeks ago or so. And usually I get an invoice because I subscribe. I pay it 3 days later, I've got my shipment. I don't know. It was crazy this month. I had to send email to them twice because they were having problems. I guess they had problems getting a piece of the kit in, and then it came in, and then they have a department that puts everything together, and they were shorthanded, and I don't know. It was a mess. And I mean, in a few days, the November kit's coming out, and so it's crazy. So I wanted to do a video on this one real quick so that we're not confused when the next one comes out, and hopefully that one will take less than a week like it normally does. And sadly, this one is the sunflower one, and I really, really wanted it for my daughter-in-law's birthday card, and her birthday was on the 4th of October, and it is the 13th as I do this video. So, needless to say, that didn't happen. So, next year. All right, so I opened the box up, but I haven't opened the inside out up, so we are going to take a look at everything together. The high point, I guess, is that it's been so long I don't remember all the different pieces that come with it, so we are going to figure that out together. So one of my favorite things is the Ziploc bags. This one's in black. They're a great size, and they fit everything in the kit perfectly. And so, they didn't. They just whipped that together. Alright, so, let's see. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff in here. Alright. So let's take, oh, look at the ink pads. Let's take a look at the little sheet that comes with it that tells us everything we need or want to know. Sunflowers and Daisies. Sunflower stamp set. And when you see this one, if you haven't seen it, it's gorgeous because it's like a field of sunflowers. Daisy, fresh daisies embossing folder, Simon Says Stamp, 6x6 sunflower field layering stencil, black mesh bag, blending brush, 2 ink pads, full size of the Positively Saturated, which I really like, citrine, and citrine, I don't know, it doesn't say what the other color is. We'll find out when we see it. Art Deco tags with twine, 1 package of jute rope, 1 sheet of ivory cardstock, 1 sheet of Simon Says burnt orange, green leaf cardstock, sunshine cardstock, slimline envelopes. And then here's some, look at how pretty that is. Examples. All right, so there's our examples. All right, well, if this doesn't scream sunflower, I don't know what does. Look at that. Those are great colors. Love them. All right, so Perfection and citrine. Those are going to be great for this. All right, so those two colors. And we've got the jute rope, $5 off. Can't beat that. Here's the two envelopes. Our little candy that we always get. I love these. I love the little ones, and I love that they have the cover over them so that you can travel with them and they won't make a mess. Deco tags with twine. And then here is the embossing folder. Fresh Daisies. This is beautiful. Beautiful. And then here are the stencils. And then look at this. Look at how pretty this is. I just love this. And it's got get well soon, thank you, sending sunshine, happy birthday, missing you forever, my friend, thinking of you, hello, just saying hello, and autumn blessings. And let me see, did it say how many stencils come with this? Nope, it doesn't. So let's see how many stencils are in here. All right. Let's see. There's 4 of them. They aren't numbered, but I would imagine they go in this order. So there's the flowers. These stems, I hope you can see that. The stems. The insides. And then the leaves. And the little buds. So that is going to be great. That is going to be great. You know how much I love layering stencils. With a passion. With a passion. And these are 6x6. I'll put those away later. These are 6x6 stencils, but this whole stamp set is like 5.5 from here to here. It's a good 5.5 inches, and from top to bottom, it's about 5, so definitely 5. But you know, I could see you could actually stamp it and then cut it and have 2 different panels. I think that's, and then each of those would be what? Like this one would be about almost 3. This one would be about 2.5. So, and this is absolutely gorgeous. It's funny that it's a daisy, not a sunflower, but it's okay. I'll take it anyway. All right, so that's it. I'm so happy I finally got it, and I can't wait to give it a try. You know, some of them I don't feel, even though I like them, that you don't get, you know, you don't get your money's worth, but I think this one, definitely you're getting your money's worth, you know, with these, especially with these 2 full-size pads. And if you haven't tried their Positively Saturated, you know, give it a try. They are very juicy, and really, they blend really nice. They're like one of my top, next to, you know, Gina K and Pink Fresh. So, all right, so let me know in the comments whether you are a member and whether you got yours right off the bat or if you've had to wait too. It's weird because my girlfriend ordered the kit the day it was announced, and she's not a member, and she got it in 4 days. And I was like, I was still waiting and waiting and waiting. So sometimes being a member isn't all it's cracked up to be. So, but hopefully this is the, you know, only time this has happened, and hopefully this was just a one-time thing. So we'll see with the next one. All right, so that's it. The October Simon Says Stamp Sunflowers and Daisies. Oh, I just realized that they did the, this is the Daisies. Yeah, they used the embossing folder and then they colored it. So that is pretty too. Very pretty. All right, so that's it. So like I said, leave me in comments. Let me know whether you are a member, if you got yours right away or it took you a while. If you got yours right away, let me know if you've used it, because clearly I haven't gotten a chance to yet. So let me know. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing if you're a subscriber. If you like the video, please hit the like button. It makes YouTube very happy. So that's it. Till next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.